Saundarya Lahari, the verse from the Saundarya Lahari, which describes the Navarasa of Devi. It's in Ragamalika. The second will be Nadamadikilinda, which is an Indastuti, and the third will be Jagadodhara. Shiveshringaradha with the Navarasa of Devi. looked at with devotion by the devotees, is used in humor by the poet. It's a beautiful form of bhakti, bhakti comes through. This is in Ragam Tangoji, in Kanta Chapatalam. The composer is Papa Vinasha Mudali. Nadamadi Kerala. So here the poet asks Nataraja, what happened to you? You were quite okay, walking around, looking after yourself, but why are you standing like that? Why is your left foot broken? He asks. So this is, he makes fun of the beautiful iconic Nataraja symbol. Then he goes on to list out the reasons as to why that foot is hanging and dangling in the air. So he says, everybody knows that your body is red hot, and to cool it down, you apply ashes on it, is it? And because of that, have you got rheumatism? Is that why your left leg is broken? He asks. When Markandeya hugged you to seek protection from Yama, to protect him, you kicked Yama with your left leg. Did you have a sprained leg? He asks. You took a message of love from your friend Sundareshwara to his beloved, Paravai Nachiyar. When you went to her house and knocked on the door, you tripped over the doorstep and fell down. Did you break your leg? He asks. I know what the real reason is. I think when Brahma was keeping pace with the symbols while you were dancing, you missed a step. To cover that tap, you lifted your leg and pretended that your leg was broken, isn't it? So this is an endoscopy in Ragam Tangoji. a composition of Purandaradasa in Aditala. This is a beautiful composition which speaks about a certain kind of a dichotomy. The poet speaks aloud, thinks aloud. Yashoda, knowing fully well that Krishna is not an ordinary child, still treats him as a mere child, as her son. How is that possible? What is that quality that she had that made her forget the magnificent, the all-pervading, omnipotent presence that he was, and enjoy him as only a mother could enjoy her child? So there is envy, there is respect, there is bewilderment, and there is surrender in that relationship Yashoda shared with Krishna. The one that who created all the three worlds, she thought, you are my child. The one who lay on Ananta, the great serpent, she tried to protect him from the little serpents that came his way. The one who provided or who protected the honor of Draupadi, she dresses him up and laughs at him. The one who is present in the tiniest of particles and who is present in the all-pervading space, that one, the one who is beautiful of heart, the one who knows no cause or effect, that one, Yashoda treated as a mere child. The one who even after the most severe of penance cannot be attained, but to the gopis, he was always there, always in their presence. The one who is the Paramapurusha, the one who is Purandara Vithala, that one, Yashoda treated him as a mere child. Jagabodha. So these are 3 pieces I wanted to perform for you. If you have any questions, I'd be happy to answer them. Thank you. Lovely to see all of you here. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Javali. Thank you. If you have any questions, I'd be very happy to answer. How do I get into character? Can I just sit? Sit down. So, getting into character, I mean, it's part of the training, isn't it, of Abhinaya. So, every time we work on a piece, you learn about the characters, you learn about the situation, you learn how to imagine what the character would do as say. And in that way, you learn to imagine. So that's how it is. What is my message for dancers today? I think it's a beautiful art. I mean, we are gifted, we are really lucky to be artists. One think only hard work is very, very important. There are no shortcuts to dancing. And I think respect your gurus. Your teachers are very important. The teacher-student relationship is very important. And work hard. And there is no other happiness that we can get except what we get through art. I think Abhinaya you can start slow. Immediately after you start, they start dancing. After the adavus, I think when you start the items, slowly you can start Abhinaya. What do you think will make a best lovely performer? Hard work. Yoga is, I think, all the allied arts, yoga, any of the martial arts, our Indian arts, all of them, there is a holistic approach to art in all this. Yoga, all this helps. What are the aspects you look before choosing? How to connect imagination with the way we perform. Abhinaya is all about imagination, isn't it? So I think the basis of Abhinaya itself is imagination. What are the aspects I look for in a composition before choosing it? I look for something that is, if it's an interesting emotion, if there are a lot of layering possible in a composition. How do I feel after every performance? Different. Every performance is different from, one performance is different from the other. See, it's a kind of bhakti. Okay. Ninda stuti, it doesn't mean that you are actually mocking the Lord. It speaks of the very strong relationship the devotee shares with the deity. When you are very close to somebody, you take that liberty, isn't it? So that is what Nindastuti is, a form of bhakti. It shows the very strong bond that the poet shares, that the devotee shares with the deity. I'm sorry, it's moving so fast. Okay, Vipralambha Shingaram. It's when what a Nayika goes through when she is in separation. It is a very vast topic, which I can't speak about. Maybe another time. Do you take classes for those who attended your workshop? I don't take regular classes. I'm sorry. When you choose a song, how do you connect different stories you want to portray about a character in that song? Okay. When I choose a song, whatever the Sanchari is, it has to be relevant to the context of the song. It cannot, if it's about Shiva, I cannot choose stories about Shiva randomly. It has to connect with the words. So if the words, if it makes sense in the lyrics of the composition, then you choose the story. For instance, in Nadamadi Thirinda, the words themselves speak about Markandeya, right? And in Nadamadi Thirinda, in the first Pallavi, I use Shiva holding Ganga on his head, on his matted locks. I use that story because you say that when Ganga poured with all her ferociousness and you gathered her in your locks, in your matted locks, you could not balance yourself. Therefore, you lifted one leg to balance and you tried to adjust. So, is that why you're standing like that? She asks. So, you use stories that would be relevant to the context of the song. My favorite Nayika, I like a lot of Nayikas. The compositions, certain compositions I like. It's not about a favorite Nayika. I like Nayikas where there's a lot of dichotomy, where there's a lot of friction. It gives you more scope for Abhinaya. Is there a Bani in Abhinaya? Like we can, I know one thing I can say with great pride, that my Guru Srimati Kalanidhi Narayanan, I think the kind of opening she gave to the field of dance through her Abhinaya, I think so many of us have benefited, and so many of us dance today and perform today because of her and her inspiration. I love to teach, but unfortunately I don't teach regularly. How do we practice Abhinaya? Through learning. Please don't practice in front of the mirror. Every time you perform a padam, it could be different. Absolutely. Every time you perform a piece, it is different. While choosing a song, what inspires you more, the lyrics or the ragam? Both. The ragam, the lyrics don't exist without the ragam, meaning that they go together. Can we present Natakurunji Varnam as a Nayika Varnam? Yeah, you can. I think, in the second half of the Varnam, I think it says, I think there is a mention, she is a Nayika yearning for the beloved. Can you describe your days with Kalanidhi Mami? I grew up with her, so it was a lifetime experience. Can you do a Nayaka piece like Chitika Vesite? Sure, next time. Do you think that the mood of the ragam is very important to set the background? Absolutely. I think the ragam, the lyrics and the ragam are intertwined completely. And the way the ragam unfolds through the composition completely impacts the way the Abhinaya is communicated. Which padam is your favorite? I like Shiva Diksha. I like Jagadodharana. Many pieces. Some suggestions for improving Abhinaya. Observation, training. Could you name a composition that you hold dear to you? I like Jagadodharana. How should we start choreography? First of all, make sure your base in dance is very strong. Then, if it's in Abhinaya, do small compositions and make it very structured in the beginning. and then slowly, start improvisation. Can you do Smarasundara Javali? Do we have it? Okay. How to practice Abhinaya part? Through learning. Which is your favorite Varnam? I like Sami Ninne Korinanura. Do a small piece of Yennatavam Shedane. Suggestions for discipline: hard work, no compromise. What is the first Shringara Padam to be taught to a student who's just introduced to Padams and who's just 14 years old? You can do Velavare, Unne Tedi, Padari Varagadu, those kind of composition. Tottu Tottu Peshavaran. Sure, I'll come, definitely, for sure. Happy to. I think that's all. Okay. How do you see jatis on Nritta in between Abhinaya like in a Varnam, especially Virhut Kantita kind of Sahitya? See, one has to accept that the Varnam format is like that, isn't it? So instead of trying to understand how do you hold the thread, you understand that the Varnam format is this particular way. There are jatis and there is Abhinaya. So the moment you accept it, you'll be able to switch from the jati to the Abhinaya. When you finish the jati and when you're going back, that the sense of the naika or the emotional context, you can slowly, without doing Abhinaya while going back, you set the mood when you go back. See, you can't do Abhinaya when you're doing Nritta, especially jatis. You should not do Abhinaya. But the jatis that you set also, of course, you can't set it to the mood of the composition, but I think the pace of the composition, the raga, etc. will also determine what kind of jatis you set. That also is important. But when you're going back, or when 13 Varche, where in between the first half and the second half of the Varnam, you can set the mood. How important is spirituality for someone to present an Abhinaya piece? I think spirituality is something very private, is something very individual. One thing I understand by spirituality is surrender, isn't it? You surrender to the composition, you surrender to the dance, you surrender to the power that is just simply bigger than you are. Elaborate on the dichotomy aspect of character that you mentioned earlier as the criteria of picking. Okay. See, for instance, Shivadiksha Paruralanura. It's a composition where the heroine is a Parikiya Naika. So she is in love with Manaruranga, but she has taken Diksha. She belongs to the Shaivite sect and cannot, have any relationship with anybody outside the sect. So, but her heart belongs to Manaruranga and she cannot stop herself from responding to him. So the composition Shivadiksha Paruralanura speaks of the moment when Manaruranga enters her little kutil, her hermitage without announcement, and he looks at her with love and he calls out to her. She tells him, go away. Her eyes say, her lips say, leave, don't talk to me, go away, don't distract me. But her eyes say, come, I love you. So those kind of characters really interest me. What exercises might you suggest to get warmed up to Abhinaya and be an imaginative dancer? See, you can tell them stories, and I think the more you listen to stories, the more that you read out from our texts, from our history, etc., I think it will improve the imagination and the resource material that is available for young students to pick use in their compositions, in Abhinaya. For instance, unless you know the story of Tripura, Shiva with his smile destroying the 3 cities, the story of Markandeya, this kind of adds to your resource knowledge, isn't it? So I think telling stories from our Puranas, then observation, stories from everywhere, reading a lot. Reading, I think, improves your imagination. It inspires you, isn't it? So all that is important for children. And I think Abhinaya you can start at a very young age. I started when I was 9. So I think I grew up with it, and I think that is one of the, it is a huge, it makes a huge difference. Which are the pieces a student must learn when it comes to Jatiswaram and Padams? Jatiswaram, there are a lot of Jatiswaram. Padams, you start with simple Padams, and slowly you can, you can go into more complex ones. Do you recommend any books or texts? Now there is so much available everywhere, isn't it? What can you do? Sorry, I can't see this very well. Sorry, the questions are moving so fast. I'm not able to, okay. Tottu Tottu Peshavaran is also to an extent, but, okay, I'm sorry, I'm not able to read so fast. What is the secret? What are your inspirations? My teachers. How to learn about Talam? You go to a good, your teacher can teach you about Talam, and you take classes. Being a non-singer, how to choreograph pieces from scratch. It doesn't matter if you can't sing. You go deep, listen to the composition multiple times, and it will give you an understanding of the music. How can you sustain the intention of the word as opposed to developing formulas that are mannered in Abhinaya and are not necessarily true to the context of the word? Sorry, Maven? I can't understand your question. How can dancers sustain the intention of the word as opposed to developing formulas? I'm sorry, I don't understand. I don't understand your question. Tips to maintain stamina. Sorry, Maven, maybe we can talk about it. I don't understand. Tips to maintain stamina throughout the performance. I think only hard work. Vatsalya in different shades. Yes. I mean, your experience with Neela Mami. Oh, she is a very, very gentle and a wonderful person. How to improve Abhinaya? You see, when you take a line, keeping the context of the words, you try and say the same line in different ways through Abhinaya. It will improve your imagination. For an upcoming dancer, one is restricted when one picks a character with sufficient dichotomy to merit a dramatic piece, but you may not have a Sahitya musical piece. Could you please suggest? Okay, but you may not have a Sahitya musical piece. You can always create music and create Sahitya. You know, the ideas are all there. It's there in the mind. You can always create a piece, isn't it? The best character you've performed so far? Oh, many compositions. Many compositions. How can the transfer between characters in composition be brought beautifully? I think if you're completely convinced about what you're doing, there is no time to think, how do I transfer, isn't it? It has to be instantaneous. And that is what Abhinaya training is all about. Relevance of Kshetriya Padams in today's scene? I think Kshetriya, to me, they're timeless. There's so much of depth, and there's so much of variety, and there's so much of pain and passion and love, and that's what life is about, isn't it? In any Abhinaya piece, oh, I'm sorry, you're going very fast. Yarini, hello. It feels very real. Once we practice it, the hands start feeling rehearsed. How can we keep the hands real and not rehearsed? Okay, it's once you are, it's all about learning the piece, and when you know it so thoroughly, then your imagination starts working, isn't it? That's when you know a piece very well, that's when improvisation starts. And I think that's what you need to understand, right? You don't stick to doing only the hand. You know it, then you go beyond it. That's the point where Abhinaya starts. A short explanation of Sahitya. Shah? Sorry, I didn't understand that. Mastery of Abhinaya required to perform an Ashtapadi. An Ashtapadi is challenging. Any composition that is heavy on emotion is challenging. But everything is possible through practice. Welcome. Your favorite Ashtapadi, Kuri Adunandana. How much can be changed to a choreography by our guru, or an item is being passed on? Okay. When it is my Vadyar's compositions, Swamimale Rajratnam's composition, I don't change it. Kalanidhi Mami's style itself, she did not encourage you to do exactly what she did. So it was about learning to improvise. Of course, in the beginning, everything is structured. We do exactly what we are taught. Then after that, as I explained to Yarini, Abhinaya starts from that point. So when I perform the pieces of Mami, even those that I have learnt with her for many years, it's never always what I was taught, or it's never the same. My favorite Kshetriya Padam, I like Ninnu Judagalligena. How to keep students motivated, especially the ones who are into dancing for 2 to 3 years. I think, giving them opportunities just to present, small pieces in class, even if it's 2 adavus together, or, give a small line in class. I think all of us enjoy performance, isn't it? Whether it's in a class to your friends, or whether it's at home to your parents, or whether it's on stage, it doesn't matter. Performance is something that we are all, that's the adrenaline rush that we get. I think that would be a wonderful way to keep students motivated. A methodology, that's a big thing. Anything about Javali? Javalis are very interesting because of the pace of the composition, because the words are also don't give you the opportunity, both the ragam pace and the way the words are used, they don't give you that time to go deep into the emotion. So the challenge is to bring out the emotion and to keep that sense of lightness without it being, it should not be a lack of depth, isn't it? I think if I'm able to get through what I'm trying to say. Importance of the authentic patantara of the music for dance, very, very important, very important. Sanchari or an episode to a jati, why not? I mean, today there's so much being done. For instance, even in varnams, to swarams, instead of doing the jatis, certain episodes are, choreographed. Where so many interesting things are being done. Thank you. How to start working on a daru? From Mate is there, beautiful. Hello Somi, how are you? Love you too. There's so much of music available. So many varnams are available on CDs on the net now, isn't it? Thank you. It could be the Javalian Padam, the choice of ragas,
commonly, there are always exceptions to the rule, the choice of the talam, the way the emotion